soft as sea glass and fresh as morning dew. Celadon green brings a glow that turns every mother of the bride into the picture of calm grace. This gentle hue bridges classic taste and modern charm, letting moms shine without stealing the spotlight. Stay with me as we explore styles, fabrics, and shopping tips. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's step into Celadon elegance together today, dear friends. Celadon green sits between mint and sage, offering a soft, airy tone that flatters many skin shades. For mothers of the bride, it signals calm support while still feeling joyful and fresh. Because the color is muted, it blends smoothly with most wedding palettes, whether pastels, earthy neutrals, or bold brights. This flexibility means fewer worries about clashing with decor, bridesmaids, or flowers, making Celadon a safe yet lovely choice. A Celadon dress can come in many silhouettes, each highlighting different features. An A-line gown schemes the waist and floats away, creating movement that feels both regal and relaxed. Sheath styles hug curves in a smooth line, perfect under a lace jacket or beaded overlay. Empire waist designs gather just below the bust, allowing soft fabric to drape comfortably over the midsection. Each shape lets personality, comfort, and elegance shine. Fabric choice sets the mood of the outfit. Chiffon brings airy flow that catches light with every step, ideal for garden or beach weddings. Satin offers a sheen and structured drape, giving more formal settings a touch of luxury. Lace, whether all over or as delicate sleeves, whispers romance and gently covers the arms. Tulle layers can add volume without heaviness. Mixing textures within Celadon keeps the look interesting yet harmonious. Celadon green mother of the bride dresses blend grace with celebration, helping you support your child while feeling confident. From silhouette to accessories, each choice creates a look that photographs beautifully and feels wonderful. Thank you for spending time with My Day My Choice today. Explore more ideas in our other videos. Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below. And I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost.